Father, I come honestly, without pretending to be strong or pretending to have everything figured out. You see my heart clearly, and you understand emotions I struggle to explain. I refuse to ignore the weight I have been carrying, and I refuse to suffer in silence. I come to you because you care and you listen. I open my heart fully, and I ask you to lift what feels heavy inside me. Father, I come honestly today because my heart has felt heavy and my emotions have felt stretched, but I refuse to carry what you never asked me to bear alone. Your word in Psalm 55:22 says to cast my burden upon the Lord, and you will sustain me. And today I obey that instruction. I release emotional weight, hidden sadness, and quiet exhaustion into your hands. Every burden I have been carrying silently, I lay it down now. Lift the heaviness I cannot explain. Comfort the places words cannot reach, and strengthen the parts of me that feel worn down. Lord, replace heaviness with hope. Replace pressure with peace, and replace exhaustion with fresh breath. Remind my heart that this season will not break me, this moment will not defeat me, and this feeling will not last forever. I receive grace to breathe again, to smile again, and to move forward again. Today I refuse to drown in my emotions. I choose to rise in faith. I choose to trust your process, and I choose to believe that joy will return. My heart is lighter, my soul is calmer, and my strength is being restored. Father, help me to walk gently with myself today. Help me not to judge my healing process or rush my recovery. I declare that I am allowed to heal, I am allowed to rest, and I am allowed to feel peace again. And I thank you because you are lifting me day by day. In Jesus' name, amen.